introduce how to use the aluminum heavy-duty Light Force 6-in-1 stable gun. First, how to load stables. This stable gun is bottom loading, so you need to turn it upside down. Press the latch rear to pull out the inner core. The stables must be put in one side of the stable channel. For 18 gauge thread nail is also put in one side of the stable's channel. Check the nails is flat and push the stock cord, then latch the body. For the pin nail is also put in one side of the stable's channel. Check the pin flat head and press it. Put it in the bottom of the channel. Second, to introduce Light Force operation force of the stable gun. Third, I would like to highlight our no switch design, which can work with T50, JT21, 13, T25 18 gauge nail and pin nail. Now is T50 and 140. Then JT21 and T13 and 53. And T25 for cable and 36. Finally, our 18 gauge thread nail and pin nail. To introduce Light Force operation force of the stable gun. The normal type stable gun of the handle operation force.
Okay.
At the low position is 15.6 kg. The new Light Force at the low position is 7.2 kg. That's for about 55%. It can be operated even by one finger torch force. The normal type stable gun, the handle operation force at the high position 20.9 kilogram. The new light force 1 at high position. The new light force 1 at high position. .7 kilogram. That is less force 40%.